Hey everybody, it's Brian with Brian Lane Designs. Would you like to learn how to make seasonal decor for your home or to sell? Well, follow me over at my YouTube channel at Brian Lane Designs, and I can teach you how to make anything from wreaths to centerpieces to pretty much any type of floral design that you would like to learn how to make, such as this beautiful fall floral centerpiece that I did right here. Go on over to my channel on YouTube and you can see the slowed down version of this video step by step, and you too can make this for yourself. And be sure to follow while you're over there. Give me thumbs up and follow me also on my Facebook page at Brian Lane Designs. Thank you.